Imagine cruising on water, but on a bike. Introducing the Otter, the world's first electric bike designed for water adventures. Yep, you heard that right. Swiss-engineered Watercraft, blending the joy of cycling, the thrill of water sport. Now it's time to trade those land wheels for waves and experience water bodies like never before. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, or you might just end up pedaling on land while everyone else is riding the waves. Now, back to the Otter. It's more than just a novelty. It's a well-thought-out machine with a cruising speed of 8 to 10 km per hour and can max out at 12 km per hour, thanks to its two foldable brushless motors. Each of these bad boys delivers up to 1,500 watts of power, depending on local regulations, of course. The Otter also offers up to 20 kilometers of range, or about 3 hours of ride time on a single charge. It even features an ergonomic setup with comfy, breathable mesh seats, reclining backrests, and adjustable pedal distance. Perfect for families, this Watercraft can seat up to 4 people. And don't worry about your stuff getting wet. The Otter's 70-liter splash-proof storage has you covered. Plus, the lightweight, corrosion-resistant frame and inflatable hull can handle some serious water pressure, giving you both durability and stability. Safety-wise, the Otter comes with a digital steering system for tight turns and a return home mode for when your battery's running low. Oh, and assembly? A breeze. Just 3 minutes and you're ready to ride. Whether you're looking for a casual ride or an extended water adventure, the Otter brings together the familiar feel of cycling with the tranquility of gliding on water. For those who love exploring, the Otter outpaces traditional kayaks and stand-up paddleboards with its impressive range of 15 to 20 kilometers. Also, just a heads up, check out the description below the video for a link to the official Otter website where you can find more details on this exciting product.